Good day everyone. Today we will cook again the Chinese celery with beef. Our ingredients are beef. I will cut into shredded. 5 spice bean curd. I will cut into shredded also. And this is the Chinese celery. Mustard, sliced mustard tuber. This is cha choy in Chinese. We will use garlic and ginger, and we will use also oil. And the beef we will marinate with soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch, and a little bit of water. I will cut the 5 spice bean curd into half, then cut into slice like this. Done shredded the beef, so I will marinate with sugar, one spoon of this, and cornstarch, also 1 scoop, soy sauce, I just estimate, and I add oyster sauce. For the beef, it's good to have an oyster sauce. It's a nice taste. And the water. Add water. About one tablespoon. Mix it and set aside. Better put it back on the fridge to avoid discoloration for the meat, especially for the beef. Especially all the meat, just put it back on the fridge. And now I will clean the celery. Just cut the roots and cut the leaves. Remove the leaves. This is the celery after I cut the leaves, and then we will cut into 1 inches. 1 inches. Remove this what is this, and soak in a water for a while to remove the dirt. Soak it in the water for a while. This is the celery after wash. Then I boil water here to blanch. Water to blanch the celery. Only 2 minutes blanch, or 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, just 1 minute blanch, because it over blanch, then it will tough, no crunchy anymore. Then put oil in a wok, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Put ginger and garlic. While waiting to fry the ginger and garlic, we will open this pack and put in the blanched Chinese celery. Then fry the beef on a high fire. Add the spice tofu. After the beef become brown, okay, doesn't matter brown or what. Oh, fine. Put the beef. Then a little bit of water so it won't dry. Just a little bit. And cover it about around 2 minutes. The fire is around medium fire. After 2 minutes, let's see. Add the celery and the chachoy. No need to add the salt because the chachoy is already salty. Just stir it. And that is done. Stir fry until the saltiness of the chachoy will blend in the celery, Chinese celery. Will blend it together in the Chinese celery. So this is done. We will dish up now. This is the stir fry Chinese celery with beef. Happy cooking, guys! Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!